What's up, bro? My name's Kevin, alright? What's up, Kevin? Yo, what's up, guys? I'm on a different trip for the day. I'm gonna really chill. Because today we're gonna be doing the first trampoline bid on my second channel. And it's really flipping hot. Although my second channel is gonna be more family friendly than what the first video was and the second video. Instead, I'm not gonna be using the F-bomb and stuff like that. But yeah, today's gonna be a trampoline video. I'm gonna attempt setting up the camera up here. Don't know how good it's gonna work, or if it's even gonna work at all. I don't think it is, but oh, we may have some. We may have some. How good is this shot? Alright, well, I think I got it. I'm gonna jump on trampoline, guys, and I'm gonna see if I can hear me. Alright, so guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a different clip of me jumping on trampoline, cause to this video, you know, yeah. This clip isn't gonna really be that good quality, but okay, so the quality difference is gonna be like really dramatic. I was like, what the fuck? Yep, this shit was good quality, and now it's like, what the fuck? So it's thinking right now, but still I had to do it for the video purposes. Jump light. That really flipping hurts. Ow. Day isn't the day for that. I'll see you on this clip. It's gonna be a lot better quality. Okay, so guys, this is gonna be the end of today's vlog. Peace out, and I'll see y'all tomorrow for a new vlog at freaking 12 o'clock, because I wake up very early in the morning to get videos out. Peace out, and have a good day. This is your boy Raccoon Vlogs signing off. Peace. Yo, I'm about to die, so I'm gonna do this clip real quick. Turn my camera, then go for the next clip. Oh my god. Fuck. Today is what is the day for that kind of stuff. But yeah, I did try my best to actually jump and stuff, but today isn't the kind of day to jump on trampoline when it's like 130 degrees outside. It's not really jump on trampoline weather. So yeah, I don't know if the next clip's gonna be on my phone or something, but if it is, then WTF. I mean, no, the FML. Cause I can't cuss in my videos anymore, so yeah. That happened. Family friendly, am I right? Yeah, it's like flashing the bat in like the corner. My screen's like got like this much of it left, battery left. It's gonna be enough to film this clip. Now to get another battery put in and then film the next clip. I have to buy some more batteries. Ready for this kind of camera. So I'm gonna film non-stop.